When I'm making a grocery list, the first thing I do is go to my big pantry and see if I have any empty containers I left, so I'll know to put that on the list. Then I look for empty spots where I usually keep things, and that just kind of helps me know what I need to pick up. Like, I don't have any Miracle Whip, so I know I'm going to need that. All my pasta stuff is good to go. I need cranberries, cashews, Zatarain's jambalaya, and maybe some more potatoes. Definitely going to have to reorganize once I go grocery shopping. Can you believe this big bag of rice is the first time I had to buy rice all year, and we eat rice like 3 times a week? Somebody blessed me with rice and I didn't have to purchase any all year. I'm very grateful for that. Now to Lewis's lunch things and to the freezer to make sure I got all that on the list. And I will not let y'all shame me for wanting to have 2 to 3 things of tissue in my house at all times. Now, I didn't make it to the grocery store this day. I got sick and was stuck in the house for a week. Have a good day. Bye.